I think live, love and laugh because it's something that I live by my own life. At least I try to live, love and laugh as much as possible. I know that in the current scenario, I think we all lead very, very stressful lives. But you keep reminding yourself that it's important to live, love and laugh and have a great life, because I think that's what really life is all about. And most importantly, I think for people who, like me, have had an experience with anxiety and depression, I think it's very important to know that there is hope, and we as a foundation are here to help you. And together, I think all of you included, the media included, we need to spread awareness, and together we need to destigmatize mental illness. We will be launching a website today. As a foundation, we have several plans. I think it will sort of unfold when the evening starts, and I think all of you will sort of have access to what is going to go on for the next 1.5 hours. So we have sort of our plans in stages. I think our initial stage is to focus on destigmatizing and to create awareness. We also have a website that we're launching, and it's going to have all the information that anyone who needs any kind of help related to stress, anxiety or depression, you go to the website, and it's a very, very simple process. You literally feel like you're talking to a friend, in simple, very simple language and simple steps, guide you through what you're feeling and how you can seek help. I think everyone, in spirit, I think everyone is, I think everyone in their own personal capacity has reached out. Everyone is aware that today is World Mental Health Day, and I'm sure over a period of time we'll have a lot more public support, but in their own personal capacity a lot of people have come forward.
दीपिका जी को मैं बहुत बहुत इसके लिए बधाई देता हूँ और शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ कि इन्होंने ऐसा एक पूरा एक मुहिम छेड़ी है। मैं इसका हिस्सा हूँ। उनका लोगो के डिज़ाइन में मेरी कंपनी मैकैन के साथ मैं काम करता हूँ। उन्होंने काफ़ी काम किया है इसमें, पूरी टीम ने। सबको मैं इस काम के लिए बधाई देता हूँ। तो क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी वक्त से इस अभियान से उनके जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, मुझे सबसे बड़ी बात ये लगी कि दीपिका जी ने जो ये पहल की है, ये पहल इसलिए की है कि उनका अनुभूत सत्य, उनका स्वयं का सत्य वहाँ जुड़ा हुआ है। उन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं उसको खुद भोगा है, और उसको भोग करके उसके बाद ये निर्णय लिया है कि मुझे लोगों तक वो चीज़ पहुँचानी है जिसका एहसास मुझे हुआ है। जिस चीज़ से मैं बाहर निकली हूँ उससे लोगों को भी फ़ायदा होना चाहिए। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है और मैं इसका स्वागत करता हूँ और उनको पूरा सहयोग देने के लिए मैं आगे आऊँगा।
I think it's a wonderful, absolutely wonderful initiative. Frankly, I was very busy, but I left everything to come for this, because this is something that everybody should be doing. I think it is our utmost duty as people that other people listen to, that we should bring to their notice the problems of the mind and how to solve it and be together in this struggle. I'm actually very grateful to Deepika for bringing this out in the open.